I'm Ashley Murphy. I'm one of the co-founders of Neat Method, next to this lovely lady.
And I'm Marissa Haymeyer, also one of the co-founders. Neat Method's a luxury home organizing company. We service our clients through our franchise owners, and we also offer a line of elevated organizing products that help create the full solution.
We really love to say that we take spaces from chaotic to composed, looking at the space and figuring out like, okay, how can I tackle this to make it that much more organized and functional?
We move people from one house to the next, see people through new babies, through children moving away to college.
Everyone at Neat has shared the passion for wanting to help other people live this organized life.
There are a ton of women that love to organize, but that don't necessarily know the ins and outs of being a small business owner. One of the things that is great about Neat Method is that business structure. Having someone else that's done it, that's been on the ground before, and that can help them achieve their goals is one of the best parts of being a part of our Neat community.
Creating products for us was truly a natural progression.
Part of what we strive for is to create products that work in all different spaces. Whether it's a laundry room, kitchen, or pantry, we really create a line that carries throughout the entire home.
We've thought of those things that, as an organizer, we have in our bag of tricks.
Felt bottom on a basket or protective feet, and just those little touches truly make such a difference.
We look at every product and think about all the different ways that it can be used, but also we go through many prototypes just to get it to be perfect.
Every space that we organize, we leave with some sort of solution that's sustainable, something that after we've left the house, the client can maintain on their own. And the only way to do that is with good products that help you keep that system going.
Our Neat community of owners is a fantastic group of women. They come from all types of industries, all walks of life. We're able to pull on those experiences to help form this really powerful group of women that, in my opinion, could really run the world. And so to have that under one umbrella is really special.
We've always had fun since the very beginning. Yeah. That's always been a rule for sure.
What we've really tried to do is expand it beyond what can happen in a client's home even, and be the brand that can educate and can inspire and can really help anybody live that organized life.